Does this sound familiar? You have the job. You have the apartment. You have the latest iPhone in your pocket. On the surface, everything looks fine. You are successful. But underneath, there's a constant hum of anxiety, a feeling that you are always running behind, that you are constantly connected to everyone online, yet feel deeply lonely offline. Why, in an age of unprecedented comfort and technology, do we feel so deeply uncomfortable? Welcome to the modern paradox, and welcome to Dharma for modern life. I am your guide on this journey. This channel exists for one reason: to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and the chaos of your 21st century life. We aren't here to ask you to move to a mountain monastery or renounce your possessions. We are here to bring peace right into your office cubicle, your difficult relationships, and your daily commute. In today's very first video, we're going to uncover the root cause of this modern emptiness and introduce the ancient cure that is more relevant today than ever before. So why do we feel this way? We are caught in a trap that psychologists call the hedonic treadmill. Modern society sells us a lie, that happiness is always the next thing away. The next promotion, the next car, the next relationship match on Tinder. We run faster and faster to get these things, and for a moment, we feel good. But the feeling fades quickly, so we look for the next thing. The goalpost keeps moving. This constant chasing is exhausting your soul. You are tired not because you are doing too much, but because you are chasing the wrong things. 2,500 years ago, a man woke up to this reality. You know him as the Buddha. He wasn't a god. He was the world's first psychologist. He diagnosed the human condition with one word: Dukkha. It's often translated as suffering, but a better translation for modern life is unsatisfactoriness. It's that subtle feeling that something is missing. He taught that the root cause of this is our attachment. We attach ourselves to temporary things and expect permanent happiness from them. It's like trying to hold water tightly in your hands. The harder you grasp, the faster it slips away. The problem isn't the iPhone or the job. It's our desperate clinging to them for validation. So what's the cure? It is not to stop enjoying life. It is a radical shift in perspective. It's called Dharma. Don't let the Sanskrit word scare you. Dharma simply means the way things truly are. It's a reality check. The cure begins with mindfulness, the ability to step off the treadmill and observe your life without judgment. Instead of reacting automatically to every email notification, you pause. You breathe. You notice the stress in your shoulders, and you choose how to respond. This shift from mindless reacting to mindful responding changes everything. It creates a space of freedom between the stimulus and your reaction. This feels different because it is different. The modern world tells you to run faster. Ancient wisdom tells you to stop and look inside. The choice is yours. This channel is your toolkit for that journey. In the coming weeks, we will provide practical, secular techniques to manage anxiety, improve focus, and find peace in a busy world. If you are ready to step off the treadmill and live a lighter life, join our community. Click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson on dealing with overthinking. May you find peace in the present moment.